The Nemesis Dreadknight is a humanoid combat walker deployed by the Great Knights chapter for the express purpose of battling the greater demons of chaos. A marvel of imperial technology, these adamantium alloyed exoskeletons are layered with bonded ceramite plates and armoured control linkages, and allow a single Grey Knight to stand on an equal footing with the infernal children of the Dark Gods, while also enhancing his natural psychic abilities. In many ways, Dreadknights are a more powerful and advanced version of the standard Space Marine Dreadnought. However, Dreadknights are not true cybernetic combat walkers, but advanced exoskeletons intended to be used by any Astartes trained in their use to enhance his physical strength and firepower beyond even the transhuman norm of the Space Marines. These war machines are currently exclusive to the Great Knights. Dreadknight exoskeletons were designed and built for the purpose of allowing a single Grey Knights Astartes to combat powerful greater demons and demon princes, who are physically far stronger than even the oldest and most experienced Space Marine. In appearance, Dreadknights are quite different from standard Dreadnoughts. They are taller, bulkier, and appear as a humanoid-shaped exoskeleton. Come build, collect, and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.